Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This week I did a series of videos for Lamborghinis and I give you a promise that this weekend I'm gonna bring you a special video about the Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera. This video is gonna be a first video from a series in which I'm gonna build the Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera metal kit by Bburago. But first, let me start with showing you the box. So up front, you see the Lamborghini, and it's in my favorite color for Lamborghinis, orange. Over here you can see the scale, you can see some features of the metal kit. Also, let's check the sides. Okay, over here we got 124 metal kit by Bburago. On this side is the Lamborghini itself. We can see a picture of the interior. This side is similar to the first side, and on the back of the box you can see the collection of the Bburago kits for the 124 cars. Another car that I like over here, it's this Lamborghini over here, the Sisto Elemento, and I'm gonna be looking to get this one as well. The Porsche 918 is one of my favorites also, but my very favorite is the orange Gallardo. So without further ado, let me start unpacking the box. The box is wrapped with some nice transparent foil all around, and this way it stays all put. So let's cut it and start the unboxing. Okay, can we take it out like this? Not really. So we're gonna get rid of the wrap, and now we are ready to open the box. So without further ado, let's start it. Let's see. So seems like okay, we can do it just like that. Okay, and let's see what we got in the box. Okay, so the first thing that takes our attention is the metal body of the Lamborghini itself. So let's check it out. Okay, it's wrapped as well. It comes with the spoiler in the back. Okay, I like the color. The color is really amazing. Okay, there's the rear and this side. Okay, let's put it back in. Let's see what else we got in the box. Alright, I think number 2. so what we got over here, as you can see, is pretty much the whole interior, the wheels, brake rotors. It has the nice seats though. Really like the sport seats. They're actually like a racing seats. Oh yeah, we also got the tires over here. Okay. Anything else? The steering wheel. And all kind of other stuff. Okay, let's see what else. Alright, what we got over here. This is actually the part that we put the interior on. The cool thing is though, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this part over here looks like carbon fiber, and it's really cool. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna be putting the steering parts right here up front, engine in the back, seats gonna go here, and of course the dashboard up front. Let's check the bottom. That's about it. What else we got over here? Wow guys, we got a lot of stuff in this kit. I'm really excited to start the build. So let's see what else we got. Okay. Oh wow. Over here we got the windshield. We got the belts. Oh wow, we got really cool belts. Over here, the headlights right here, the side windows. Oh yeah, the tail lights here. Look at that. Tail lights. Oh wow. Got a lot of stuff. There's some screws. Okay. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh wow. Okay, so that's actually the bottom of the Lambo. Let's check it out. Okay, it says Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera. As you can see over here, Bburago. The scale. Okay, there's the front part. That's where the steering part's gonna go. And the back for the rear wheels. Okay, it's a real true supercar. You see the bottom is really flat. This helps a lot with the aerodynamics. Okay. So let's take the parts out and spread them over here on the white background so you guys can see them a little better. This. Okay, windows, headlights, stuff like this. Oh wow, we got a nice tent over here. I really like that. Nice. It's really nice. Okay, let's see what it is. There's Bburago on the bottom. Wow, I like that. It's gonna look very good when I put it on. Okay, so let's see what else we got. Okay, this should be the manual. Let's see. Oh wow, let's do it carefully. What we got over here? Superleggera stickers, license plate, The instruments for the dash, nice. Okay. What else we got for stickers? Wow. This must be the sticker for the stand. Gallardo Superleggera. How cool is that? Okay. This one should go here. We got more stickers. Wow. Okay. Oh yeah, here we got the mirrors and stuff. And now let's check the manual. Okay. Kit 124, collezione. Let's see. Here is the Lambo. Okay, let's check it out. And over here is the real cool part, how to really build it. So let's see the top part. Okay guys, so looks like there about 61 steps total to build a kit. It has quite a few parts, which is something that I really like. And let's see, on the top we gotta start building by putting the windshield, side windows, the back window tail lights. After this, the dashboard, seems like. Then the big step number 2 is building the interior, seats and everything. And the last part is building the bottom, putting together the wheels and tires, and then assembling the Lambo. So looks like we're gonna be up for some very cool build. I'm gonna keep you guys posted on the progress, and I hope you're gonna enjoy these videos. So with this, I'm gonna wrap up the first video about the building of the Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera metal kit from Bburago. I hope you guys like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. This way you ain't gonna miss the further videos about this build. I'm also gonna put a link in the description to show you where you guys can buy this amazing Lamborghini. As always, thanks for watching.